Okay, I'm going to count these. There's 3 squirrels right there on the bottom. There's 4, and there's 5. There's 6, and there's 7. Now, there are 7 squirrels out there right now that I can see. And this is proof positive that they are there. Wait a minute. Let me count this again. Okay, over here, there's 1, 2, oh, it's 3. I didn't see the guy beyond there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 squirrels. 9. Whoa, wait a minute. Where'd he come from? 9 squirrels. Count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, only 8. I must have counted 1 twice. 8 squirrels. Well, you can take a picture of that again. I had to do this on a video because you won't believe it. 1, 2, right there. Okay, go over. On the top, 3. On the middle, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 squirrels. I guess I was right. And I don't know how many ducks. 2 there, 2 there. They chased one of them away already, so. That's all, folks.